Hello YouTube. So I do a quick video here. I did make a short on this, but that's the problem with shorts, is that I can't you only get a minute or two. So I thought I'd do another video. For those who do not watch YouTube shorts, I'm introducing the world's first two-way radio duty cycle tester. This thing is been working good. I'm going to be using this prototype during my live stream when I test the Retevis RT97 mobile radios as in a repeater format. So I'll be using this device. So I'm be kind of like testing two things at once, basically. I'll post that link down below. That's coming up here real quickly, the date and time, but I'll post that link down below with all the information. So now what this duty cycle tester does, you select what duty cycle you want to test: 100%, 90%, 80%, 70%, etc., etc. This will automatically calculate the time required that's needed for the transmit time and the wait time. So this has a customized MP3 file that you can upload to it. You make your own MP3 file saying whatever you want to say. You upload it to this, and then you go into the menu, you select your duty cycle, 80, 70, whatever, done. That's it. Now for the cabling, I put screw terminals on here so that I can hook this up to just about anything out there, whether it's a mobile radio, whether it's a handheld, as you can see in here, or whether it's a repeater with the data port. I can wire it up like on a mobile. I can use the RJ45 connector in front where the microphone plugs in. I can hook it up that way. If it's a repeater that does not have a hookup, then what you do, you either grab a handheld or a mobile radio, put it on low power, program the frequency to be the same as the repeater, and then this will work with devices that you cannot hook up directly to it. So that's what I'll be doing actually in my my live stream. Is I'm going to be running a handheld on a battery eliminator. This handheld will be on low power, and this is programmed to the repeater frequency, and this will be in another about 120 feet away from the repeater. So that's how I'm actually doing it. I don't have a direct connection to the RA87s per se, so I'm doing it this way. Now I could hook it up to the RJ45 on the RA87, but I kind of want to do it a full thing, you know, in repeater mode. So that's kind of why I'm doing it this way, but I could hook it up to the RJ45 and get the same results. But by doing this key up, I'm kind of testing the receive of the repeater setup. I'm testing the transmit, so that's why I'm kind of chosen to do it this way than a direct connection to the RJ45 connector. So yeah, like I said, this is just a prototype. I've been testing it, obviously off camera. It seems to be working fine. Matter of fact, if you want to know how does it sound, now the display in this camera with the lighting, with the LED lights, shows it flickering, but it's not flickering. And so here's, it sounds really good. This is the MP3 file that I made. So it's sounding really good. You know, that's pretty much it. Pretty easy to use. If you have any questions or comments, please post them down below. Please subscribe. Thank you, and have yourself a good day.